Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show and demonstrate the notes on the E string. And so we're going to start off with the open E string. Here's what it looks like. So you notice it's in the top space, and then also down below, I've named it. This is E, and here's how you play it. Open E or fourth finger on the A string. Okay? So now, to play it, I'll show you both ways. Open E is the thinnest string on your violin, or you can drop down all four of your fingers on the A string, and it makes the same note. The next note is F sharp, and F sharp is located on the very top line of the staff. Now, I've also added a sharp symbol right there just to make it clear that we're talking about F sharp and not F natural, which is a different note. And so here it is, F sharp, first finger on the E string. So let me show you what that looks like and sounds like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that my finger is really, really rounded, just like that. I'll show you from a couple different angles. There it is. I'm going to make sure that my wrist is nice and straight. That keeps my finger really tall and rounded. And then also, I can stay right on my fingertip. That's what's going to give me the best sound. So here is F sharp on the E string. The next note is G on the E string. And I'm going to specify this is a G natural, not a G sharp, because there's no sharp symbol right there. So here's the name of it, G. It's a low second finger on the E string. In other words, this note is going to be a half step away from the F sharp. And remember, half step means the closest distance between two notes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that my first finger is down on the tape for the F sharp. And then my second finger is going to go kind of right in between the tapes, right about there. That's that half step. This is a different note. This is called a G sharp. That's a whole step away. We're talking about G natural. That's right there. That's that half step away. So here's what G natural sounds like. Okay. The next note is A on the E string. Now notice we're going one ledger line above the staff. And so and the alphabet also is starting over. So we had G here, that's right above the line. And so now the musical alphabet is starting over again on A. So here we are, this is A, third finger on the E string. And so what you're going to do is you're going to keep your first finger on the tape. Let's just keep that second finger in the low 2 position. And then the third finger is going to go right on that third tape right there. Here's what it sounds like. Okay. And then the last note that we're going to talk about is B on the E string. So A was on this line, and now B is going to be right above that line. So here it is. This is B, fourth finger on the E string. And so just like with the other notes, we're gonna make sure that our fingers are down. So first finger on the fingertip, second finger low 2 position, third finger still keeping our fingers nice and rounded, and then that fourth finger, that's going to land right there. Okay, and it sounds like this. That's it. Happy practicing, guys.